30 minutes Jamaican gungo rice and peas. And that way I make today. I feel like I haven't made rice in such a long time. I mean, no, me definitely not make rice and peas in a while. I go through that phase where I don't eat a lot of rice or flour. I'm more stick to protein and like veggies. I'm going to fry plantain at that span of time to our fried dumpling. Anyways, whenever I feel for rice and peas, me not cook it long at 30 minutes. Needless to say, me always stack up on gungo. Add me can of gungo to the pot, add a can of coconut milk, added some brown sugar, a little Creole season, a little black pepper. Whenever I have white onion, so I use some purple onion, some scallion, some thyme, some pimento seeds, some scotch bonnet pepper, onion powder, some garlic powder. I'm for very own, very necessary island spiced oil. Click the orange basket above my username to try it. And then me add a little butter and me stir that in thoroughly. Cover it down and let it boil for about 10 minutes. I did rinse out the coconut milk can with some water. So 1 can of coconut milk and 1 can of water. Once it's boiled for about 10 minutes, and what you can do, you can actually taste that sauce to see if you need to adjust your seasonings. Hopefully you never add too much Creole seasoning because you can't adjust that. Plus, this is not seasoned rice. You're going to eat it with protein, so you don't want it too salty or too seasoned. Then me wash and added my jasmine rice. Stir that up thoroughly, lower the heat and cover it down for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I open the pot and I stir it. Me never ever miss. Maybe one long time, one time. But my rice always come out nice, fluffy and perfect, just the way I like it. Me know different people like them rice different ways. Some people like it shelly, some people like it cooked like this, some people like it cooked softer. You just cook it the way you like it. This is how I like it, and this is the perfect gungo rice and peas. Serve that up with some peach Barbie jerk chicken, and I did cook the chicken stuffed with potato. And then I did some stir-fried zucchini. I know I told you in a video before that the zucchini, when them too old, them not good, but I lie now because it's a old zucchini we use for bake. Bake zucchini bread, and I had piece left over, and I stir fry. I just cut them small and stir fry them, and they're really good. I still hold that they're better for baking when they're that big because they're like huge. However, I'm saying they still can eat. You just have to just cut them a little smaller and stir fry them or do whatever you want to do with them. But look, pan 30 minutes gungo rice and peas. And if you know, say 30 minutes gungo rice and peas is gold. Because growing up in Jamaica, when they cook rice and peas with gungo, that take forever. The gungo take forever to boil, especially if I dry gungo. Anyways, this is always a nice good eat. Me have no business cooking all of this on a Friday evening, but check out this.